Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you want to learn more about my weekly trade zones and video courses, there's a link down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com. But let's jump right into this video. This is going to be using Thinkorswim chart layouts with the S&P Emini futures. I will leave a link to this chart layout. It is on the Flex Grid, so on Thinkorswim. So if you go to charts, Flex Grid, that's where you'll want to save it when you upload to your own. But essentially, it's my basic 1 minute chart with 200 EMA moving average over here. We have our first hour high and low with fib extensions, our shadow trader zones. If you want to change those, go to shadowtrader.net and go to their free newsletter. And every morning, Peter and the crew over there update. And they actually update the S&P Emini future zone or previous day's point of control, value area high and value area low. The best way to change it is just go into studies, click this instead of clicking the wheel and changing it here, because I have it on multiple charts. If you actually go here and you click it, I just update here. Okay, you gotta be careful, don't mess with the code, but you just change the levels right here, like 6250, whatever. And then all I do is value area high and low. That's all I care about. And then from there, I'll just click on apply. Okay, and then click OK, apply. And what happens is it applies it to all my charts that I have those zones or that study on. I have it on the 512 tick chart, double DMA over here. So that's essentially this, my stochastic looking for divergence, and then the full stochastic, which is kind of giving you a bigger picture of what the 5 minute chart's looking like, but on a 1 minute time frame, which is cool. So I could see divergence or things like that there on a bigger time frame. Over here is my famous DMA 821 double moving average, value area high and low with the RVI. And then down here, these boxes, you could put whatever you want, but with the implied volatility kind of higher. Right now, I have the VIX in here. And it's essentially a 20-day, 15-minute regular trading hours only on the VIX. So I could kind of see what's really going on intraday. And then also my AD lines, advanced decline lines. I love this. Kind of tells us what's happening under the hood. If you look, we're currently at plus 500, but if you move this over, we're almost coming down to the zero level, right? So kind of not looking too good for the markets, but we will see on this current day that I'm filming this. And then my holy grail that I call in most of my videos where I talk about it is the today only 3 minute market profile chart with value area high, low, and the point of control. Turquoise or this purple line is the VWAP. This turquoise line is the 50% level, and then over here we have fibs for the day from high to low, 38, 50, and 61.8. So this is a really good and clean setup. One of the reasons I do all these charts is to kind of, I'm always mixing them up. I have my go-tos that I'll go to all the time. Some days, but some days I just need to mix things up. I love to build new layouts, see if there's an edge, or maybe look at things differently as the markets change and all that, just to keep me engaged in the markets, right? I've said many times, and it's so true, you only need this one chart. Everything's right here. Look at this nice divergence going on right here, right? Very, very clean divergence. Never got the kickback yet, but if it comes down to the kickback, I would probably look for something like that. But with that being said, I know not everybody is a one chart person. They always want to see more information. That's why I bring these to you guys and I share these charts. Let me know in the comments if you guys like them and all that. But again, I'll leave it linked down below for this chart for your Thinkorswim in the comments, or sorry, in the description. Also, if you want to check out my S&P Emini future weekly trade zones, things like that, those will be down there too. So as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.